Hey, let me show you how we can use and turn on and off text to speech. So first of all, start by opening settings. Now scroll all the way down and open additional settings. Right now you will have to select accessibility and open vision. Right now go to select to speak, and first of all you will have to turn it on by clicking on this switcher. Now click allow, and right now if you want to select something, you have to just click on it. First of all, you'll have to click on this floating speaker icon that is located on the right side of your edge. So click on it, now select something.
How do you select to speak? Start select.
And as you can see right now, it's actually reading that stuff. You can play and pause by clicking on this button. When you click on this arrow, you can expand. You can go forward, for example, and you can also change some settings by going text to speech. And here you can change preferred engine, language, speech rate, pitch, and here you can even play it to test.